Okay, so I didn't really want to leave the last video just saying go and make some stock, because I do get asked all the time, how do you make a good Asian chicken stock? And the answer is probably more simple than you'd want to know, because I'm a little bit embarrassed to even consider this a recipe, but it's more an explanation of what not to do when you're making an Asian stock. I can guarantee you when you go to any Chinese restaurant, anywhere around the world, this is how they're making their chicken stock. And it's not throw in all of this and that and whatever. It really is chicken and water. That's it. Here are the things that I normally hear people flavouring an Asian or a Chinese, specifically, chicken stock with. Ginger, garlic, spring onions, other onions, sometimes things like star anise and fennel and soy sauce, all those kinds of things. When you're cooking Asian food, don't feel tempted to throw in every Asian ingredient that you know. A good basic stock is the flavour of essentially umami. Our mouths don't taste all these different things. They only taste 5 things: saltiness, sweetness, sourness, bitterness, and umami. And that's the most important part of any stock. Now, of course, there are other flavors that we sense, we smell them. This is the big difference between a taste and a flavor. A lot of different flavors that we can smell as aromas, and those are the things that are included in some stocks, aromatics as you would call them. But for a good flavorful stock, all you need is chicken and water. So I've got here all of the cuttings from my deboned chicken. I've got the carcass here, my thigh bones, my ankles, the wingtips, etc. Now you could throw all kinds of things in here as well, different cuts that you can buy very, very cheaply. Chicken necks have a lot of flavor. If you think about the parts of an animal that move, they're the ones that tend to have the most flavors. And so chicken's always going like this with their necks. The neck has an awful lot of flavor in it. So if I wanted to make more stock, I'd buy some chicken necks, maybe some feet. I'd throw that in there as well, because chicken feet have a lot of gelatinous cartilage in them, and that's gonna give us a good mouthfeel to the stock. This is my sort of standard stock that I make every week, because it's just the offcuts from deboning 1 chicken. If I've got a big week coming up and I debone 2 chickens, I've got a little bit of extra flavor in the stock. But all we need, offcuts of chicken, doesn't really matter how much, and water to cover them. Now just get that onto a high heat for a really hard boil. We're not even making stock yet at this point. This is the first boil just to get rid of some of the scum, a bit of the excess protein that you've got on the outside that might cloud your stock later. So a hard boil, lid on, bring that up as fast as possible. You see the scum form on top. We'll drain that away, give it a bit of a rinse, and then get it back on. Now that we're back on the heat, we don't want to go for high heat anymore. We want this to be a very slow stock. That's gonna keep our stock very, very clear. So I crack the lid just a little bit to let some steam escape so it doesn't overheat and cloud the stock. But I'll let this cook for about 4 hours. So when it's done, turn the heat off, push the lid back on, let it cool for about an hour, and have a perfect, crystal clear Chinese chicken stock. Right now, actually, to be honest, there's not a lot of flavor in this stock at all. It's very high in umami. There's not even any salt in this. So all it is concentrated umami and chicken flavor. So it's not much good as a soup, but from here, it is so simple to turn it into all kinds of things. It'll keep in the fridge for about a week, or you can freeze it for about 3 or 4 months. Look at that, that's the benefit of doing that first clarification process. Almost nothing even in the sieve there that I've got to worry about. And this is the basis of so many great dishes. All of those light Chinese noodle soups that you have start with a stock just like this. White Chinese chicken stock.